Hey man, check me out. I'm about to react to this video, Coke and Mentos explosion. It's gonna be a very short video, but man, let's see what they talking about. This shit finna be crazy. Man, that's it. My expectations were too high. But hey man, this is a cool short little clip. I was expecting it to be a little longer. Not even that. I was expecting it to be, honestly, I wanted to see some shit get blowed up. You feel me? Like blow the fuck up. But hey man, it was still a cool little clip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you got a video you want to see me react to, comment down below or hit me up and I'll get to it. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, man. Peace.